Hello, James here. I'm just finished visiting the Seneca Buffalo Creek Casino. And it's like toward the edge of downtown, and also that way over there is the hood. Yeah, it's to the east. I'd definitely recommend you not walk that way at night. That used to be the HSBC tower. Down there is KeyBank Center, which, see if I can zoom in a bit. Yeah. Okay. KeyBank Center. That is where the Buffalo Sabres play, and there have also been many concerts there. Like there was the Chainsmokers concert. This one. The Saturday of Columbus Day weekend 2019. My grandmother's memorial service was the next day. Scruggs Jane went to that concert. She was having a girls' night with her mother, sister, and a family friend. Oh yeah, and over there is Sahlen Field. First name I knew about was Pilot Field, then it was later called Enter Stadium, then Coca-Cola Field. I think there may have been a name in between those two too. I'm not entirely sure. And over there is this building called the Historic Rand Building, and like Danny Rand of the Marvel Universe. Yeah. Top it is the radio tower for the Buffalo area's mix station, Mix 96. Yeah. If you also watch Chris Dirk's videos, because probably he saw his one about KeyBank Center, how it used to be called the Marine Midland Arena and later the HSBC Arena. That MT Bank Tower one used to be the HSBC Tower, and sometimes you can see it from the southern tier. There's also it was also called Seneca Tower at one point. Oh yeah, and that building with the dome at the top over there, the City Hall. Of course, those of you who live in the Buffalo area already know that. I don't really know how many of my viewers live in Buffalo like me. All I really know is I've tried to reach viewers all over the world. So anyway, yeah, I was visiting Seneca Buffalo Creek Casino, and as some people may know, I actually used to work there. Like, I have commented at having worked at a casino, and I've also I've told friends about it. Yeah, I hope the music that person over there is playing doesn't end up becoming copyrighted material, because if I wanted to worry about that, I would have just made the video inside the building. Anyway, I don't think there's too much more to see here. Two Lady Liberties are behind that billboard there, right there. Like, oh yeah, you can actually see a small part of it. That orange light there. That's the Liberty Building. Yeah, or one that's got the two small copies of Lady Liberties on it. As for like if you wanted to, now, if you're a tourist and you think you'd probably rather take like a city bus to drive around down here, I would definitely recommend that. Like, because it is harder to find, especially if you don't want to spend money on parking out here, because yeah, it's pretty hard to find free parking out here. Now, I have been lucky enough every time I come out here to find free parking in the garage. As for when I was working here, I got free parking because there was a designated parking area, and that one paid a lot over there. Or there were these metal rails that had the parking area for the employees from the guest parking for people visiting, like the KeyBank Center. Yeah. As for that Marriott Hotel there, I don't know, like, I've never checked into it or really know anyone who told me about it. Although, it's been there for quite some time, so it might be a good hotel. Well, if you need to check into one and want to try one in downtown Buffalo. Yeah. The only problem I've ever really had in the downtown area, aside from finding free parking, is the whole thing, like, with the lights, the traffic lights. It's like they want people to stop or hop at every intersection. Yeah, so, like, if you need to get to Buffalo General, which is the same hospital in the downtown area, you're definitely going to want to get an ambulance for that. Can't really think of anything else to say about out here, but yeah, I definitely hope that people will come out here, pay the Seneca Buffalo Creek Casino a visit. I know that many people have gone there after her concerts and hockey games at the KeyBank Center let out. Yeah, that's all for this video. Bye.